Hey guys, my name is Abhay Vatan, and today I will be discussing a question regarding adverse effects of antibiotics. So let us begin. A sis- a 62-year-old man with NSAIDs generally is brought to emergency department because of fever, severe abdominal pain, and shaking chills for 4 hours. His last pneumonia was 2 days ago. On arrival, he appears ill and poorly responsive. Blood culture shows gram positive, catalase positive, coca that express MEC-A. Interval antibiotic therapy is given with an agent that disrupts cell membrane by creating transmembrane channels. Which of the following adverse is associated with the use of the. So guys, what is an antibiotic? Then that will create pores in cell membrane, therefore destroying the bacteria. Think about it. Think about it. What is the answer? I'll give you a hint. So this patient has probably bacterium due to the Mycelium racin Staphylococcus aureus. Okay, the short form for this is the MRSA. Okay, so this group of bacteria it is Mycelium racin. Okay, so that's why we give 4 drugs to combat this bacteria: vancomycin, streptomycin, linezolid, and the tigersylin. Okay, vancomycin it belongs to betel items. Streptomycin it is answer to the question, and linezolid it is for the VRS, it is vancomycin resistant Staphylococcus aureus, and um and yeah, the tigersylin it's a fucking tetracycline. Okay, let us look at the options now. So first is the photosensitivity. So okay, there are only three groups of drugs which can cause which can cause the photosensitivity. These are the quinolones, tetracycline, and the sulfamides. Okay, so these three groups of drugs will cause the photosensitivity. Okay, mucocutaneous necrosis is caused by a group of antibiotics that are called sulfamides. Okay, QT prolongation is seen in the case of macrolides, quinolone is only. Okay, macrolide and quinolone. Phototoxicity. This is caused by the aminoglycoside and the macrolides. Okay, serotonin syndrome is caused by the use of linezolid. Okay, now the answer to the question is rhabdomyolysis, because this it destroys cell membrane of the bacteria, thereby causing the bacteria to break down, and therefore lysis of the bacteria. But this can also activate our muscles, therefore causing the breakdown of muscle. And we know that in the muscle we have the CKM, creatine kinase or creatine kinase. Yeah. So yeah, rhabdomyolysis it is a hydroxypyr of the dertamycin. Okay. Yeah. So just to recap the video, so we have first photosensitivity. It is caused by three group of bacteria, three group of antibiotics. First is the tetracyclines, sulfamides, and the quinolones. Then second is the mucocutaneous necrosis is caused by the use of sulfonamides. Okay, rhabdomyolysis it is caused by the use of streptomycin. The ototoxicity is caused by the use of aminoglycoside and the macrolides. QT prolongation is caused by the use of macrolides and the quinolones. Serotonin syndrome is caused by the use of linezolid. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.